Hello there, today I'm showing you 5 things you probably didn't know about the Jaguar I-Pace. Hope you enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comments, and if you need any other videos made, I'm happy to do that. Thank you very much, enjoy. So here we're going to reset the miles. So if you've had a hard journey and you put your foot down, it will project lower range. So it's taken in consideration of what you're doing. So if you want to reset the range, you can put your foot on the brake and the accelerator, hold it for 10 seconds, and then you'll see it reset itself. There we go, that easy and that simple. Foot on the brake, foot on the accelerator. Obviously do make sure that the car is left in park. And that's it, hope you enjoyed that clip. We'll go on to the next one. The AI Key Fob is a fantastic feature. It will learn the preferences of the driver and ensure their usual climate control, infotainment and seat settings are ready every time they get behind the wheel. It will eventually tailor itself around you. The I-Pace's rear spoiler looks fantastic on the car, especially for the styling. Originally, Jaguar were going to charge their customers for the spoiler. However, as the engineers said they improved the airflow so much, they had to keep it as standard. It would be a silly idea not to. The I-Pace's wing mirrors are very slim and positioned well out from the bodywork, and this reduces the air resistance. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please do. Just go into my playlist. I've got Jaguar I-Pace tutorials with very useful information, and if not, we've got some model information as well on the Jaguar range. Thank you very much. Any questions, do let me know. I'm happy to answer any. Many thanks.